Last week, I decided to finally make a change. To finally lose weight. On Thanksgiving pa nga. And just like last week, I tried something new by showing you the start of my fitness journey. This week, I'm gonna try something new as well. I'm gonna cook for you. Balik Alindog Challenge. So what changed since I started this challenge? Naglalakad na ako ngayon ng at least 1 mile a day, rain or shine. I've also been running a lot. Reunited with my first love. Marami na ring gulay at prutas ang laman ng rep.
Now that you know what I've been up to this past week, balik tayo sa loob. Lutuan ko muna kayo. Teka. Bago kalimutan, mag-weight check muna tayo.